How to remove formatting in Google Docs. First of all, open the Google Docs app and open the document where you want to remove formatting. Next, select the text that has the formatting you want to clear. You can select a word, sentence, paragraph, or the entire document depending on your need. Then, tap the A icon with horizontal lines at the top to open the text formatting menu. Scroll down and look for the option called Clear Formatting. Tap on it and all the formatting such as font style, size, color, bold, italic, underline, and other styles will be removed. Your selected text will now appear in the default plain style. If you want to remove formatting from multiple sections, repeat these steps for each part. And that's it. Now you know how to remove formatting in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.